A girl attack to another girl and I say her man make $900,000 a month and him not giving her $10,000 a week and I sell shop go start selling some fucking what about thing? Them have them relationship thing. But if me, when me did say my mother come chastise me about it because me make a remark, me say blood cleat, you know what, give me the man they don't want a man. That's a fuck up talk. Excuse, pardon me. Why? All kind of thing. But oh, that's how hard me want hit home the point to them the time because through me know the girl and kind of see the relationship issues are going and know say man get blood cleat, raise a pay and one rate it. Me say in mind girl, we fuck. If your man make so much money, talk to the ladies them now upon the life. Your man make $900,000 a month and you work and you make money too. Where the what problem? Have a problem? What have a problem? Unless you do fuck up things something you don't like for your money what you do and the man don't like what him do. But I don't really see. I don't see no problem if you make so much money. That's a good money. God no, I never calculate it. I never calculate it because a month them say you might climb up whole by expense and try live above your means. Then now you get fuck up and that's a fuck up That's a fuck up No reason to broke. A battle price raise me talk. The thing at the news item number 12 me reach a countdown in a King Lion News blend. And a battle price raise me talk. And me reach up to man and make $900,000 a month. And him and the woman have whole for bumbo clad fuckery. And the woman make money too, Otherwise, she try to sell him a fuck, She work, But she sell him a fuck.